Enhance your outdoor spaces with Southlake Outdoor Lighting Co. Our team specializes in creating stunning exterior lighting designs that transform your garden, patio, and pathways into beautifully illuminated areas. Whether you're looking for Southlake garden illumination or Southlake pathway lighting solutions, we have the expertise to meet your needs. Illuminate your pathways with precision using our Southlake pathway lighting solutions. Our team ensures that every step you take is safely lit, providing both functionality and aesthetic appeal. From Southlake step lighting solutions to Southlake driveway lighting design, we offer comprehensive services to enhance your outdoor experience. Transform your garden with our Southlake garden illumination services. Our experts use a combination of LED outdoor lights, accent lighting, and uplighting to highlight the natural beauty of your landscape. Trust our Southlake accent lighting experts to create a magical ambiance in your outdoor spaces. Ensure safety and security with our LED security outdoor lighting North Richland Hills TX. Our motion sensor lights Southlake TX are designed to provide peace of mind by illuminating dark areas and deterring potential intruders. Choose from a range of security lighting options to protect your home and family. Create a welcoming atmosphere with our North Richland Hills patio lights and deck lighting solutions. Our team specializes in North Richland Hills deck lighting, offering a variety of options including string lights, wall-mounted lights, and outdoor sconces. Enhance your outdoor living space with our expertly designed lighting solutions. Experience the beauty of outdoor lighting. North Richland Hills TX. Our team uses a combination of spotlights, uplighting, and downlighting to highlight the natural features of your trees and landscape. Trust our Southlake uplighting experts to create a breathtaking outdoor environment. Add elegance to your outdoor spaces with our Southlake outdoor sconces installation. Our wall-mounted lights and exterior lighting designs are perfect for enhancing the architectural features of your home. Choose from a variety of styles and finishes to complement your outdoor decor. Illuminate your pool area with our poolside lighting North Richland Hills services. Our team offers a range of options, including bollard lights, step lights, and floodlights to ensure your poolside is both safe and stylish. Trust our experts to create a relaxing and inviting atmosphere. Opt for energy-efficient solutions with our outdoor lighting. North Richland Hills TX solar lighting and low-voltage lighting North Richland Hills services. Southlake outdoor lighting. Co-solar outdoor lights and low-voltage options are designed to reduce energy consumption while providing effective illumination. Choose sustainable lighting solutions for your home.